Fractional powers. In this video, you are going to learn how to simplify fractional powers. A fractional power means a base number raised to a fractional exponent. Let's see an example where both the base and exponent are fractions. 4/9 to the power of 3/2. Does the number looks very scary? No worries. We can easily simplify this. For expressions like this, we need to apply the power to the numerator and denominator separately. So, it will be 4 to the power of 3/2 divided by 9 to the power of 3/2. Does the term look a bit familiar now? You have a fractional power in the numerator and another one in the denominator, and you just have to simplify them one by one. If you are still not clear, you can refer to our video that explains how to simplify a fractional power. As we are going to apply the same method here. First, let's consider the number in numerator 4 to the power of 3/2. The numerator in the power is 3 and the denominator in the power is 2. The denominator 2 means we take the square root of the base number 4. That yields 2, because 2 by 2 is 4. Then in the next step the 2 is raised to the power of 3, which is in the numerator, and it gives us the answer 8. Now, the simplified result of the numerator 4 to the power of 3/2 is 8. Next, let's move on to the denominator 9 to the power of 3/2 and apply the same method. The numerator in the power is 3 and the denominator in the power is 2. The denominator 2 means we take the square root of the base number 9. That yields 3, because 3 by 3 is 9. Then in the next step the 3 is raised to the power of 3, which is in the numerator, and it gives us the answer 27. The simplified result of the denominator 9 to the power of 3/2 is 27. Now, let's combine the simplified result of numerator and denominator. It will be 8/27. The simplified result of 4/9 to the power of 3/2 is 8/27.